Hi, welcome back on the Battle Yourself channel. Today gonna show you a short video with the unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A20e. Let's take a look on the box. Front is glowing. Here you have a email number and distributor. There's a function of your phone. Let's take a look inside. How it looks like. Here you have a paperwork. What is inside? Warranty card and instruction. Here you have a phone. With the blister. Let's take a look around this phone. It's a blue color, blue deep color. It's look very nice. Okay, now let's look at the accessories. This is the charger, adaptive fast charging. This is the parameters of the charger. Here you have your USB cable. This is the USB-C type. Headset. This is the Samsung model of headset. And key to open phone and insert SIM card and memory card. That's it for short unboxing. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!